Hi, if you want to change icon shape into a ZTE Blade V8 Lite, first step, go into Play Store and find application name X icon editor. This one. Click install, wait a second for downloading and installing. Then open. Wait a second for loading. Close ads. And now need to choose some application. For example, Chrome, Google Chrome, this one. Then, first option, we got a background color of our icon. Maybe green, yellow, blue, and another. And then we got a shape option. So choose your favorite shape. For example, circle. This one. Oh no, okay. For example, stars. And now choose this shape, and on the top we got OK button. So click to OK. Wait a second for generating. Then need to close ads one more time. And now we got a new icon of our Google Chrome. So on our home screen, this one. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.